Okay. This is a Compustar 901 two-way remote. It's been popular for like 10 years. Yeah. You can still see there's a little, well, anyway. We're gonna fix it. So these are not horrible to get at. There's a little plastic piece here you gotta get in. Just kind of pop up. Off camera, there we go. Now under here, there's always a Phillips screwdriver. And take that screw out. Now these were an awesome remote back in the day. You get mile range, 5,000 feet if you have that Freedom unit. One size small. All right. And we're gonna take off the, there we go. Take the screw out. There we go. Okay. Biggest problem with these guys are batteries. And yeah. I haven't found a good supplier for them. Manufacturers discontinued that. A little bit dirty. So we need a new screen. Customer says the battery is still good. And so we will change out the screen. Now, spoiler alert, I have a screen. But I do not have a battery, and the USB is wrecked. So, okay. So if you take a look here, well, it's broken anyway, so, whew, look at that grossness. There we go. There's a little clip that's holding it inside there. I'm gonna have to, oh yeah, this is one of those ones. Look at that. It's a sealed unit. That's just gross, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. Why don't you heat the soldering iron up before you use it? Okay, come back. Okay, solder. There we go. And solder. Ah, did I just break it? Nope, there's the unit there. Come back into shot. And there. Okay. Little LED backlights. Some junk. Well, let's just lift up on the tab here. Come on. Nice and gentle. And come on, get out of there. There you go. Okay. Next. Come on. Don't want to break the display. Come out, wherever you are. There we go. There we go. And go back to this side. Give it a little pop. Come on. Pop that out. Come on. Well, that one's nicely attached better. Well, let's put that one in then. go. So long. And thank you for all the fish. Slide this in. And now you can see, woo, it's got to go in all the way so it gets a nice, good, tight feel. Hey, look at that. Cool. What was it, 2 and 3? The beeper's not working. That might be a problem. Okay, let's put this guy back in. Poor solder connection. Oh wait, I didn't solder it yet. Oh, there, the beeper worked. Okay. There we go. All right, well, that's probably part of the problem too. Okay, well, no worries. We know the beeper on board is working. Battery goes down. Come on. Do. There, nice. Oh, put it in the right way, Lloyd. There's a little plastic clip you can see. It's got to go underneath that to hold the board in place. There you go. And now the battery's out. This is getting old for plastic, so hopefully we don't damage too much. Oop, we damaged one, unfortunately. Just look at it the wrong way. That's down. Wait, if I do that. Ah, there. Buys me a millimeter. There. There we go. Okay, so the buttons. All that lint. There we go. Buttons are still good. All right. Squeeze it all back together. Ah! Oop. A little piece there. The biggest thing is as long as these guys don't break, you can still hear the snap when you put it over top. It's gonna hold. Look what I forgot to do. I forgot to put that guy in. All right. Let's put that in now. Now this goes in only one way, but it's annoying because I can't remember which way it goes in. Because it's got a little piece going one way. I believe it goes like this. Yeah. So the big part goes down. Okay, let's put that screw back in. All right. 10 minutes. Not bad. Quick, easy job. If you have extra parts around, maybe you can fix it and not throw it away. That's what I'm all about. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see what I break next, consider subscribing. Thank you.